Hey guys, welcome to my channel today. I'll be teaching you how to use Canva to make designs for your business card, your flyer, for your logo, and probably for your posters. Alright, this is just an introductory class. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to use the tools available in Canva. Alright, this is not a tutorial for making a classy design. This is just for introduction. There are so many template design here. You can choose the one you want, or you can select a particular dimension that you want, and then you start designing from scratch. Alright, if you are new to this, you should probably design using a template. For this tutorial, I'll be using an Instagram post dimension for this. So let's take a look at what we have here. Alright, we have text, we have image, we have video, sticker, illustration, templates, logo, and page. Click on the background to customize it. You have option for gallery, you have option for image, you have option for color. You can select a picture from your gallery, or you can use an inbuilt image in Canva, or you can select a color that you want. So you have to make the decision. For this design, let me pick a particular image. If you don't like that one, you can pick another one. You can also select a color you want. Pick anyone you want. Okay, let's add a text to our design by clicking the plus button and select text. You can add your own text, or you can choose a pre-designed text format. I use that a lot, but sometimes you have to pick the one you want. So I picked a particular selection, and all you have to do is to customize, change color, and change the text. That's basically all you have to do. You can drag and expand, you can reduce. Okay, you can click on each text you want to edit and then impute the particular text you want. You can customize all of them, every one of them, and put in your own particular text. If you don't want to use a custom design, you can add some text. Click on add some text to customize your own particular text. Okay, let me change the color, and then impute. Click on the text, enter text, impute what you want to impute. Let's say welcome. You can enlarge, you can reduce it. I need to add another text to this design, so let me use a default or customized text pattern instead of adding a plain text. Let me see, is there anyone here? Is there anyone? You have to take your time to find. Okay, I think I found this one. Let me change the color. Alright, let me quickly customize this by giving it a suitable color. Remember, this is just an introductory class to teach you how to use the basic tools. We are dealing with text now. You can enlarge, you can reduce, you can change the font size, you can change the font style. Alright, let's add an image. Click on the plus, click on image. You can select from your gallery or from your image, which is the inbuilt images that come with Canva. Select the one you want. You can drag the image, expand it the way you like, or reduce it the way you like to fit the purpose of the design. The image does not look too good in front, so let's send it to back by clicking top right and then select downwards. You adjust till it fits what you want. Now let's reduce the transparency. The next thing we'll discuss is stickers. However, I want you to know that stickers will make your graphic a video or a GIF. Now let's consider illustration. Under illustration, we have shapes, we have illustration, we have frame, we have line, we have icon. Let's see as many as we can consider now. First of all, let's go to shape. You can see different shapes here. You pick the one you want. I'm going to pick a triangle. In Canva, anything you want to change, whether a diagram, or that's a shape, a text, or an image, you have to click on it to highlight it. When you do, if it's those that have color to come out, you cannot change color, or you press the plus sign there to add more colors. You can drag to reduce. You can see the symbol for rotation. That will help you to rotate. You can reduce transparency, increase it by clicking top right. I think I've shown that earlier. You can do basically anything. If you highlight a shape and click top right, you will see a duplicate button up beside delete. Okay, when you do that, you have another image. Then you can start customizing it the way you want. As you can see, I'm trying to customize this by rotating. Okay. I want to place that where where I feel it should be, whether it looks good or not. But the idea is I'm trying to show you that you can actually do anything you want to with Canva. Okay, I'm going to delete those shapes as I don't actually need them. I just wanted to show you what you have to do. Alright, let's see what else we can do. Alright, let's consider frames. The difference between frames and normal shape is that frames, they can be shapes too, but they can accept image. They can take in image, unlike ordinary shape that will just accept colors. So a frame can take in an image, you can take in a color. Okay. Alright, you type frames. When you go to illustration, you can see pick any one you want there. Once you click on a frame, it will bring out options for an image, for a color, and for you to pick an image from the gallery. Alright, I'm going to pick an image here, inbuilt image, and then you can see. Okay, I think that does not look too good in front. Let's bring down the transparency and send it to back. Remember, this tutorial is for beginners, for people who are yet to use Canva before, and this is to introduce to you the tools available here in Canva. Okay, let's quickly consider icons. Go back to illustration, type icon, search for it or cancel, and then those options will come out for you. To save the image, at the top right you will see upload and download. Upload means to save and share, while download means to save directly into your phone. So click on any of them. Okay, as you can see, our image is saved already to our phone. And that's all we have for today. Please subscribe, like, share, comment on my videos, and I'll make more.